Hello, it's Denise with Level Up Tax and Asset Protection and Easy Income Tax and Resource Center. This year, everybody got really excited because the SBA offered SBA PPP loans. If you got an SBA PPP loan, now it's tax time, and it's very important that you pay attention to this video. All right, so whether you apply for the SBA loan on your own or you had a consultant to do the application for you, the process remains the same, right? You reach out to the SBA and you say, hey, I suffered a financial loss due to COVID and I would like to apply for your loan. Here are my income documents proving that I suffered the loss, copies of your tax return, 4506T, and information about your business. Here's the documentation proving that I suffered a loss. The SBA then reviews that documentation and then they approved your loan, right? All right, what does that mean for the tax year now? Now that we're up into tax refund season, you signed a 4506T with the SBA. That 4506T says, hey, SBA, this is my income. And that 4506T gives the IRS permission to release your tax filings, your tax account information to the SBA for verification. They haven't been doing it yet, but we don't know when they may start or when that could occur. You don't want to find yourself in hot water with the SBA because you said, yo, hey, I have this business. And then when they look at your information, there's no business on there. All right, so let's talk about what that means for this tax year. Again, that signed 4506T means that the SBA can pull your tax refunds at any time. So this year on your taxes, you need to file your business. Your tax filing this year needs to match what you told the SBA and gave them permission to pull from the IRS. You want to avoid any penalties, any questions, or any issues from the SBA or from the IRS. You got to file your business this year. That's the first thing. The second thing is that there's really large refundable tax breaks this year for small business owners. So it's in your actual best interest to file your business income because you can get really, really big tax breaks for that. The calculations for that, it's due to COVID, it's part of the COVID relief plan. The calculations are kind of tricky. So I recommend that you run, you do not walk. You call your tax professional and you make an appointment right now to have them take care of your taxes for you this year. Bring your SBA PPP loan documentation and make sure you file your business. Your tax filing needs to match what you've already told the SBA, okay? Now, this year the IRS is allowing up to $32,000, $64,000 if you're married of a refundable tax break and suffer certain hardships due to COVID and you're a small business owner. So it is really, refundable means that you get that money back. It doesn't just reduce your tax liability, you can actually get that back. So it's really in your best interest to get to a tax professional, to have them help you file your taxes and to make sure that all of that information remains the same. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, send me a message, and I'm happy to help. But again, it is so important if you got that PPP loan to make sure your tax filing this year matches your application information. Thank you. Have a great day.